So single tooth dental implant. Number one, why is it better than traditional dentistry, like a bridge?
Okay.
And what's the dental implant process like? Downtime, et cetera.
One of the things that dental implants brings to us is the ability to keep from hooking teeth together like we had to do with conventional bridge work. Unfortunately, conventional bridge work in the United States, when we looked at the longevity, was about 7 years. And let's face it, that's not very good. And the main reason that bridges would fail was because the teeth that they were attached to would decay, because bridges are hard to clean around. Implants allow us to get away from that. Everything can stand on its own. We don't have to insult teeth that don't have problems to replace a tooth that did. It's basically mimicking nature to give you your tooth back. Basically an artificial, you can think of it as an artificial root.
And you're never without a tooth?
Never without a tooth. That's an emphasis in our practice. The only time that a patient ever goes without a tooth is because they tell us they don't want it.
Okay,
for on the temporary. They don't
Sounds
like
very
when
painful
temporary.
though.
Oddly, it isn't. The nerve endings on bone are on the outside, not on the inside. So once we make our entry into the bone, afterwards, patients typically might take a Motrin.
And those can last as long as regular teeth?
Right now, our studies are telling us 15, 20 years, and they last longer. I have implants in the practice that have been there for 25, 30 years now from a previous practitioner. And so their longevity is definitely an advantage over conventional bridge work.
And missing teeth in the back, like if you're missing 1 or 2, 3 teeth in the back,
absolutely,
definitely dental implants for that?
Definitely dental implants. There are so many people walking around who lost their molar teeth as kids because of decay in their early years. 70 to 80% of the biting efficiency comes from just replacing one first molar. Very easy, very cost effective to do.